Welcome to Review Rumble. The best domino resin mold is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for any crafter looking to create unique and personalized domino sets, offering a fantastic way to dive into the world of resin art and produce pieces that are not only functional but also stunningly beautiful, making it a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 5. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for a wide range of DIY art projects. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically. Achieve a smooth, clear finish every time, especially when poured at the recommended depth. Our epoxy is made with low-odor, non-toxic materials and is food-grade. It's perfectly formulated for both home and professional use, ensuring it's harmless to you and the environment. In just 24 hours, it cures to a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a crystal-clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to get started and elevate your art to the next level. What we like? This epoxy resin is certified food-safe and UV-resistant, ensuring your creations are both safe and long-lasting. Its bubble-free formula makes it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. If you are looking for a reliable resin for drinkware, coasters, or jewelry, this is an excellent choice. What people say? It's incredibly easy to use with a true 1-to-1 mix ratio, making it stress-free for both beginners and experienced artists. The consistency is perfect. It pours smoothly, self-levels well, and cures crystal clear with a beautiful glossy finish every time. Bubbles are easy to manage, the odor is minimal, and the cured resin is strong and professional looking. It cures fast. The instructions say 24 hours, but I pulled a second batch from the mold in 12 hours and it was done. You can also layer seamlessly, set one level of decoration or paint and then cure a second level beautifully. Number 4. Let's Resin Double 6 Domino Epoxy Molds. Create standard-sized dominoes with these molds. Each finished piece measures 2 inches by 1 inch by 0.3 inches, perfect for your casting projects. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these molds feature a glossy interior for a mirror-like shine. Your resin creations will be smooth and detailed right out of the mold, no polishing needed. These durable molds are suitable for various casting materials, including epoxy resin and UV resin. Personalize your dominoes with colors, patterns, or even names for a unique touch. New to resin casting? A video tutorial is provided to guide you through the process. These make an excellent gift for any domino enthusiast. Easily add resin dyes, mica powder, dried flowers, or glitter to create truly personalized dominoes. Make your playing experience even more special with custom designs. To ensure longevity, avoid using a torch or heat gun, as this may damage the molds. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. What we like? This set offers a standard-sized domino mold with a glossy interior, meaning no polishing is needed for a mirror-like finish. It's made from durable silicone, perfect for repeated use. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use mold for creating detailed dominoes, this is a great starting point. What people say? The dominoes turned out beautiful and shiny. High quality, easy to remove the pieces once cured. Good quality mold with excellent size. Number 3. Jumbo Domino Molds for Resin Casting. Introducing our professional domino molds, perfect for all your resin casting needs. These jumbo-sized molds are designed for creating impressive double 6 dominoes with ease. Crafted from thick, sturdy silicone, these molds offer exceptional durability for thousands of uses. The glossy interior surface ensures a shiny, scratch-free finish on your creations every time. These molds are suitable for a wide range of casting materials, including epoxy resin, UV resin, liquid clay, plaster, and more. They are also dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. Unleash your creativity by customizing your dominoes with unique patterns, colors, and names. Make a special gift for domino enthusiasts or simply enjoy a fun bonding experience with family. Thanks to the smooth, shiny interiors, your finished resin pieces will demold effortlessly without sticking or tearing. Cleaning is also a breeze, just rinse with water and wipe clean. Elevate your domino game time with beautifully crafted custom dominoes. These molds provide a fun and engaging way to connect with loved ones and create lasting memories. What we like. This jumbo domino mold is made from thick, sturdy silicone, ensuring durability and easy demolding. The glossy, scratch-free interior guarantees a beautiful finish without extra work. If you prefer larger dominoes or want a mold that can withstand thousands of uses, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy and well made. Built perfectly and easy release of product, the function is perfect. I love this mold, easy to remove from mold. Easy to clean. End result has a beautiful gloss look. The dominoes pop out easily after curing. Cleanup is a cinch. Number 2. Domino mold for epoxy resin box. Introducing our innovative molds designed for creating unique epoxy resin domino boxes. These molds offer a practical solution for crafting personalized storage. Each side of the box mold is independent, preventing resin deformation during solidification. This ensures a perfect shape every time you cast. Once the resin is solidified, simply assemble the casted pieces to create your custom dominoes box. It's an easy process for a stunning result. This set also includes molds to create a full set of 28 dominoes. You can craft your own unique dominoes, saving money and creating envy-worthy pieces. Crafted from high-quality, soft, and durable silicone, these molds are built to last. They are easy to clean and can be used repeatedly for endless creative possibilities. Each package contains 2 sets of silicone molds, one for the dominoes case, 6 pieces, and one for the dominoes themselves, 2 pieces. Get ready to make eye-catching dominoes and storage boxes. Remember to fix the 2 short sides of the box with glue during assembly. For resin casting, warming the resin can help reduce bubbles for a smoother finish. What we like. This unique set includes molds not only for dominoes but also for a storage box, keeping your game organized. The independent mold design prevents deformation during curing. If you want to create a complete, custom domino set with its own stylish case, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The silicone mold ensures that the resin pieces can be easily removed once they're fully cured, preserving the intricate details of each domino. The domino pieces are detailed and crisp, adding a touch of sophistication to my crafting projects. They are made from high-quality, flexible silicone that allows for easy release of the finished pieces. The molds are the perfect size for making standard dominoes, and the smooth surface ensures a flawless, polished finish every time. Number 1. Round thick domino molds for resin casting. Tired of sharp corners? Our domino molds feature a unique rounded edge design, making your finished pieces look more professional and charming. Achieve the perfect domino size with our molds. At 0.36 inches thick, they provide a more substantial feel, closer to professional-grade dominoes. Create stunning, glossy dominoes every time. Our premium silicone molds have a shiny, scratch-free interior for a flawless resin casting experience. Enjoy a hassle-free crafting process. The flexible, non-stick design of these molds makes demolding and cleaning incredibly simple and practical. Unleash your creativity. These molds are perfect for a wide range of materials including epoxy resin, liquid clay, plaster, and more. Craft with confidence. Made from durable, high-quality silicone, these molds are built to last through countless creative projects. What we like. This mold stands out with its rounded domino corners, offering a more authentic and appealing look. The thicker cavities produce dominoes closer to professional size and feel. If you appreciate the finer details and want to create dominoes that feel substantial and look polished, this mold is an excellent choice. What people say. The visibility to see resin height when pouring is great. Nice and deep with rounded edges. If you want to make a nice, semi-thick set of double 6 dominoes, this is the mold you're looking for. Great, larger than the first ones I purchased. These are much sturdier and release the finished product easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.